Hi kids, how are you? Okay, today we are going to see how to solve problems for multiplication. Okay, first question. There are 9 apples in a box. In a box. Okay, a box. Can you see? A box means one box. Okay, what is our question? How many apples are in the same 5 boxes? It means, okay, one box has 9 apples. Same. Another same box, 9 apples, 9 apples, 9 apples, and 9 apples. Okay, they want you to find how many apples are in the same 5 boxes, isn't it? Okay, if you want to find the total, what you will do? Usually we will plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 and plus 9 5 times, and you will get answer 45. But okay, can you see? But if we add the same number many times, what we call the one? The one is repeated addition. We can change it to multiplication. See, 5 is our boxes times 9 apples in a box. Okay, this is a simple problem solving question for you, and we already see this in year 2. Okay, we go for number 2. Okay, can you see this? Okay, there are 6 eggs. How many eggs? 6 eggs in a tray. One tray. Okay, in a tray. Okay, can you see this word? A tray. One tray. How many eggs are there in 70 trays? How many trays? 70 trays. Okay, we have here eggs. How many eggs? 6 eggs in a tray, one tray, and we want to find for 70 trays. Okay, class, you must know we cannot use plus addition for this question. Why? We have 2 different items, 2 different objects. When we want to plus, we should have 2 same objects. We must have 2 same objects. It means if x here should be x here, then only we can plus. But this one, eggs and trays. Okay, we can't use addition. Another one more thing, you must understand and imagine the question. 6 eggs in one tray. So they ask you to find for 7 trays. Okay, what you will do? What is that? 70 times 6. Right? Okay. Then write standard form. Okay, times here. Okay, must find the answer. Okay, number 3. A group has 45 pupils. See class, 45 pupils. How many people are in the 7 groups? We have 45 people in one group. We need to find for 7 groups. Okay, what we must do here? Here, so multiplication. 45 people, 7 groups, 2 different objects, items. We cannot plus. For sure we cannot plus. Okay. So you imagine one group 45. 45. Another group 45. 7 groups. We cannot plus 45 plus 45 plus 45. We can do that. But it is repeated addition. To simplify repeated addition, we already learned to use multiplication. Okay. So 7 groups times 40, 45. Okay, equals. Okay, here we must write group. Here we must write number of objects in a group. Here our object is people, so teacher write it here. But when you do standard form, you can write the bigger number up and the smaller one down. It will make you easy to do the calculation. Okay. Okay class, this one, another one more. Yanshika has 36 chocolates. Who? Our friend Yanshika. Okay, Mishalni. Who is this? Another one more friend. Mishalni has 3 times more chocolates than Yanshika. How many chocolates does Mishalni has? Okay, Yanshika has 36. But Mishalni has not 3 chocolates but 3 times more. It means Mishalni has 36, 36, 36. 3 times 36. Okay. See, when teacher tell 3 times 36, you know already what we must use. Times, isn't it? Okay, 3 times 36. Okay, equals. Okay, same goes here. You can write the bigger number up, the smaller one down. Okay, times, and you can find the answer. Okay class, you must know 2 things here. We cannot plus. Maybe you are wondering if here in multiplication also the question maybe sometimes will ask you to find how many chocolates are there altogether. Find the total. Okay, altogether total all refers to plus addition, isn't it? But we cannot plus here. Why? We will have 2 different items, 2 different objects. Example like just now, people and group. No, we can't plus. Okay, so that we will use multiplication. Why? If you imagine this question, we have groups. How many groups? 7 groups. Okay, each group we have 45 people. 45, 45, 45, 45. Okay, we only can plus 45 7 times. 45 plus 45 plus 45 7 times. Okay, to make it easier, we already learned repeated addition. The same number is repeating, isn't it? Repeated addition we can convert to multiplication. Okay. Can you understand that? Okay, another one more thing. Not only objects. Okay, can you see this one? 3 times more chocolates than Yanshika. Okay, these types of questions also will show you that is a multiplication problem solving questions. Okay, I hope you will understand. Okay, and do my exercise. Remember class, write question, write mathematic number sentence, write standard form, write question, write mathematics sentence, write standard form. Okay, then find answer and write it here. Can okay, bye, take care.